Okay, now that we're done with our file, we're going to save it. So we're going to go to File, Save As. So we're going to make a Photoshop file for right now. The Photoshop file will enable us to save all of our layers. So it's essential that you have a Photoshop file. Make sure you put it in your folder. So if this is what you see and it's not your folder and you need to open this, there's a little drop down arrow. Sorry about that. You're going to click that open, and then you can make this bigger, and you will be able to find your folder. Make sure this obviously is not your folder, but make sure you select your folder. You're going to put your last name on your file. Very important. Otherwise, we're going to have 25 fruit faces. So put your last name, fruit face. It's a PSD file. It'll put PSD there automatically, and hit save. I'm going to hit OK. Okay, now say I'm ready to turn this in. I have all 10 of my things on there, which I don't, I know, but assume that you do. We're going to go to File, Save As. We're going to change our format from Photoshop to JPEG. Again, make sure it's in your folder. Hit Save. So your quality, let's just jack that up to 12, okay? And you're going to hit OK. And now when you go back to your folder, so I'm going to click on my Finder. I'm going to go to my folder, and I'm going to have a Pierce Fruit Face JPG, so that's my JPEG file, and a PSD. So this is my Photoshop file. If I need to alter it, this is what I'm going to use. If I'm ready to turn it in into Google Classroom, I'm going to turn in the JPEG file. Okay, you cannot on Google Classroom turn in the Photoshop file. It has to be the JPEG file. So you just upload that to Google Classroom. Please make sure that you keep both the Photoshop file and the JPEG. Even if you are done with the project, keep both of these in your folder. I may need to access your Photoshop file, so I may want to open it, look at your layers, just see what you did. So it's essential that you have that Photoshop file. I will take points off if you don't have that Photoshop file in your folder. So make sure you keep the Photoshop and the JPEG folder or file in your folder.